Hi, today we are going to talk about human memory. In 2006, Talarico and his team conducted research on undergraduates at Duke University. They wanted to see if memories could be remembered in greater detail if the events were correlated with positive or negative emotions. They found that positive memories were recalled with greater detail. In 2010, Zimmerman and Kelly conducted a similar experiment, but this time specifically examining word recall. They found that emotionally charged words are better stored in memory than neutral words on both recognition and free recall tasks. However, what they failed to consider was the relationship reaction time has with memory recall. So, we designed a within-subjects experiment using Qualtrics in which participants were asked to complete two separate tasks, one with the purpose of testing neutral words and the other negative words. A convenient sample of social media volunteers was used to gather participants due to time and resource constraints. Our final sample included 27 participants ranging from age 18 to 58, with 15 women and 12 men. The task functioned through several steps, including obtaining consent and demographics, followed by instructions for the word recognition tasks. Next, participants were shown a series of 12 words displayed on screen for short periods of time, and asked to remember as many words as possible without using memory techniques. Participants were then asked to check off all the words that they remembered from a list of 24 words as quickly as possible. Contrary to what we predicted, negative words did not have faster response time than neutral words on memory recognition tasks, with a p-value of 0.116. In addition, we found that negative words did not have a better correctness score than neutral words on memory recognition tasks, with a p-value of 0.176. As you can see in our bar graph for reaction time, there is visually a small difference between negative and neutral words, but that difference is not large enough to be statistically significant. In our bar graph for word recognition score, there is clearly no difference between recognition of negative and neutral words. A potential limitation to this study was that our design used only neutral and negative stimuli. Perhaps the inclusion of positive stimuli would have contributed to the presence of a clearer difference between negative words and neutral words in recognition tasks. Another limitation could have been that this study was administered online. There may have been a more significant difference between stimuli if participants were sitting in a room that was monitored by an experimenter. In the future, having both positive and negative stimuli in a task monitored in person with a larger sample size may produce a more significant result. Thanks for watching!